How to install Google TV on Windows PC. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide video, I'll show you how to install Google TV on Windows PC. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To get Google TV on Android TV in any reason, you'll need to follow the steps. So first of all, you need to keep this in mind that Android TV must be running Android 9. Now you have to actually go ahead and install the Google TV on Android TV. And then set Google as a default launcher on the Android TV. So go to the Google app for Android TV version, and you could also go with the Google TV APK, also called Launcher X. First of all, you need to download both the APKs, after which you'll need to then install Solid Explorer. Free offers in the app purchase on your Android TV from the Play Store. The app is available on Android TV Play Store. No need to sideload this app as well. After that, open the settings page of your Android TV and move to the device preferences. Then go to security and restrictions and unknown sources. Enable the toggle for Solid Explorer. Both the APKs, Google app and Google TV to your Android TV. Once you move both the APK file to your Android TV, open Solid Explorer and locate both the APKs. Now click on the Google app and install it, and then repeat the same process for the Google TV app and install it as well. Now then, open the Play Store on your Android TV and install Home Screen Launcher for Android TV. That is also for free. After the installation, open the Home Screen Launcher for Android TV app. Instantly it will detect Launcher X, which is actually the launcher for a new Google TV UI. Then you could open there, you have the brand new Google TV running on your Android TV. Everything works fine, including the new Google Assistant personalized recommendation as well. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.